Hey, Mr. Core! Your amazing front desk rock star allowed me to send you guys this video. It's going to include some tips and tricks. My name is Brittany, and I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And then I want to show you guys the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So first, I want to go over the content on your page. So what I'm looking for are the number of words that you guys have. You guys have some pretty good content, lots of good photos, areas you serve, that's good for customers to see. And you guys have a call to action, which is also really important. I love the words that you guys have down here. That's super amazing. I know you guys have been in business for quite a while, but that's amazing. So looking at the words that you guys probably have about 150 to 200 words on your front page. So we do definitely recommend anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and in your content you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. So for example, you guys are a hardwood flooring company, so someone who is looking for their services might type in hardwood floor installation, Ackworth, Georgia, or another example would be hardwood floor refinishing Atlanta, just as an example of just a couple of keywords. Now those keywords I gave you are location and service specific, and those are the keywords that you want to have on your homepage. So I went ahead and typed into Google a keyword that someone might put in here to find a service: Atlanta, Georgia, hardwood floor contractor. And on the top of Google, you see these Google pay-per-click ads, and 5 to 10% of consumers will choose one of these to do business with. Next after that is something called a Google Map Pack here, and this is super important to rank as well, as 30% of people will choose one of these businesses to do business with. However, the most important place for you guys to be ranking is in the organic search results in Google, which is the rest of this section here. So you guys definitely want to be ranking in the top 3 if possible. Now, in these top 3, there are some local directories here, which is completely normal. Yelp, House are just a few, but the third position is the first one that comes up on organic search result, and that's Peach State Hardwood. So I have their website up here, and looking at their content, they definitely don't have the recommended amount that I stated earlier, but they do have about a similar amount as you guys do on the home page. But I would like to go into more detail of why they are ranking so high, and something that you guys can do to outrank them. So we just went over content, so the next thing I want to go over is backlinks. So here I have a page program that I use to research websites, and I put in your website in here as well as your competition to evaluate them. So 2 things here that I want to first go over are these right here. You have a DR rating and a UR rating. DR rating is essentially your power rating that Google gives you. UR rating is your trust rating, and both of these things are raised by something called a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you might find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So think of it like a popularity contest. However, know that not all backlinks are created equal. So the best, most high quality backlinks are those that are relevant to your industry, so hardwood flooring, and that are also local. Those are going to be the best ones for you, and obviously I can tell that you guys have some good quality backlinks here. You have 217 in total, and I can tell that because your UR trust rating is at 16. Looking at your competition's backlinks, they have less than you guys do. They have 112. However, their UR trust rating is at 19, so it's a little bit higher than yours at 16. And that's due to the quality of backlinks that they have over yours. So it's not so much about quantity, it's more about quality of those backlinks. So you guys want to probably get rid of any low quality backlinks and maybe gain some more high quality backlinks there. So we've got our content and backlinks. Third thing I want to go over is citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you guys a little bit ago here in this section, the search result. And this is extremely important because businesses can generate huge amounts of revenue. So citations include directories like Yelp, AG Expertise, Better Business Bureau, there's hundreds of others, and social media accounts as well. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you guys more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you're going to rank above them. Let's look at your citations. You guys have 44 citations, and your competition has 31. So you guys are doing really good there. I would probably raise this a little bit more, maybe to 100 or so citations to get that really strong, and so that you can probably start getting ranked onto the map pack here, because Pizza at Hardwood is also showing up here as well. So moving further, we've got over content and backlinks and citations. So these three things come together, and you'll be able to start outgrowing your competitors. So looking at your website, you guys are getting 64 organic traffic, whereas your competition's getting 241. So you guys definitely want to improve on those things. And last thing I want to go over is keywords. So currently, your competition is ranking for 315 keywords. You can see some of them here are service and location specific keywords, which is what you want to have throughout your website. You guys have 159, and you guys do have some of those good keywords in here. However, you do need more of them definitely throughout your content. So looking back at your competitor is getting a lot of traffic from these keywords that people are searching for. This is the volume of the people that are searching for these per month. So you guys are missing out on a lot of this traffic, unfortunately, just because you guys don't have as many keywords that are location and service specific. So you guys definitely want to get those as well. And I wouldn't suggest just matching the number of keywords that they have at 315. I'd probably suggest around 500 or so. Alright, so that about covers it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence in your website. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful, and I'd appreciate some feedback. So my contact information is below in my signature. I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope you have a great day, Mr. Carr.